Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add promotional pop-up on Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. In your home menu, click on marketing and click on promotional pop-up. And click on change layout. And from this list you can select any layout, so I'm going to selecting this one. So after selecting the actual pop-up, we need to customize the pop-up, so scroll down and click on content, and you can change the headline and you can add your body text here, and then go to action. And you can set your goal. You can set as sign up for a newsletter, or you can select click a button and go to display and timing. Show the pop-up on. You can select any first page, or you can select any certain pages, and if you select this option, then you have to select that actual where you want to show the pop-up and set the timing. Choose how to display the pop-up. The pop-up will show on scroll or the set timer, whichever comes first. And go to image, and you can add an image to this pop-up background. And now go to style, and from this menu you can change the headline font style, font color. You can change body font, text, color. So this was how we can add promotional pop-up on Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.